Yeah, trying to stop the violence. But some people who I thought was my friends, I try to help them out and then I paid me. That's why anyway I see all of this, yeah. All they have to beat me for my money, all they owe me. I go in and attack all the real fucking dread. No joke.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, that was Dust Boss with the clip and seeing picture there. The police them killing in a very notorious way. As a matter of fact, them kill 3 people in the apartment and actually shot 4 and one of them survived. Those are the people them will get killed. Yo, Trinidad remind me of Jamaica back in the 80s and 90s to blow up. What is really going on? Now, there's a couple different things about this guy, Dust Boss. Now, Dust Boss, it seems like he's a low-level gangster, a bottom feeder. It seems like him do little hustling here and there, and it also seems like he's a bully, like him have the bully tactic. Can you hear it from his video? Now, the resistant gang, it also seems like him have an issue with the resistant gang. Let me show you this video. That is the resistant gang right there, and this man was beefing with them, and they really laugh, you know, when the man dead, which I don't like that. Now, there's the graphic video of how the police them do this youth. Can we have the pictures? And I guess other people have them, but I am not gonna put them up in this. And there's a video with him screaming, and that's what these guys right here are laughing at, you know. But for me, this is a very disturbing case in Trinidad, and it kind of upsetting because you have big time gangsters out there doing things, and the gang enforcement unit is not attacking them like how they're attacking little small man. Even though Dust Boss seem like him is a pum pum, no disrespect to the dead, but you can't tell Dust Boss don't have too much sense. And I heard him have a little one gun and he would do things. So that's what me hear about the youth here. But what really kinda incensed me is the police operation. Look at this. Now, I want to look at the screen in front of now. This was, like the police them say, it was an intelligence-led exercise. It's right there in the last paragraph. Now, listen to it's not the police them from the neighborhood, you know. This in Jamaica, this would have be fits them team. So them, I guess them act as federal police. So it's the North Central Division Gang and Intelligence Unit and the Multi-Operation Police Section. So that's 2 different units come together, and where the police them say them get some information. So obviously somebody send the police them on this youth, and the youth look like him have a one gun. I don't know if he can have one gun and a shoot out with police. Let me tell you something. You see if me have a one gun and police come, let me tell you what me I do. Countryman, me I strip myself down naked as the day me blood clot born and put up my hand. You understand? Cause you cannot win them Trinidad police and Jamaican police with only one gun. Any man will get me from shootout with police at Jamaica and Trinidad, you must know so them man they have some serious weapon, which you do have them kind of man there in a place in a Trinidad. You understand? They know so yo, police boy them come, them have to move up, them have to come with army. You understand? So all of the gangster them, we don't have a little one gun and 2 blood clot gun with 4 bullets in it and police come. On a better blood clot, strip naked and turn in on a bomber clot self. Take it from Countryman. Now, let me go back to the police then. There is no way I can do this video and not say that this was streamed, also the audio, on Facebook by Dust Boss. And it's a very horrifying feeling because when you point a gun on somebody and that person think they're gonna lose their life, their reaction becomes catatonic, you know. It becomes madness, believe me. I know it's a very horrible thing. So there is no way I cannot mention this. You see what I'm saying? I just feel like something like this needs investigation. Now, there's also something else I want to highlight. Now, this young lady lost her life in this thing because she was there with the other guy that died. And I think that must have been her boyfriend or something. And what's really sad about this, there is media floating around out there that she is pregnant. So I feel like something like this is really disturbing, and really the police then need to come out and explain more what happened. Somebody can't have a little one gun and 3 people, including an unborn baby, end up lose them life, and then everybody think that's okay. Where's the uproar in the streets? But apparently we don't have that in Jamaica and Trinidad anymore. So the police them just have a right to do anything they want to do. Now, more show you something. Now, look at the screen in front of y'all, and this is what I want to know. I need to know these police officers, and like I said before, I was gonna do something on them, but it says right up there that this exercise was spearheaded by ACP Subiro and Senior Superintendent Smith, ASP Metiva, and it was also coordinated by Inspector Green and directly supervised by Sergeant Dardanel and Sergeant Knox and Corporal Ciprico. Now, these officers definitely have some explanation to do, and I am going to look into these police officers because this gang unit, and I don't want to keep up bring up Prezi, but why are they not over there in Beta and they're killing these innocent people. Something is definitely wrong with this picture. Now, I'm asking the public if you guys have any information and pictures of these police in the gang unit. Them call it the MOPS. That's a unit, and you have also the Northern Gang Intelligence Unit. Anybody have any pictures of these police officers? Please contact me. Any stories, anything going on, because right now after this killing right here, it dawned on me that I definitely need the pictures of these police officers. So I was doing some research in between making this video, and I couldn't come up with any. So anybody who have pictures of these officers from the gang unit and the intelligence unit and the MOPS unit, please link Countryman. I am kind of getting focusing on these police, which it's ACP Subaru, Senior Soup Smith, ASP Mativer, and Inspector Green, Sergeant Daniel, and Sergeant Knox, and Corporal Scipio. So I would like to know who these police are, and I want to start focusing on the gang unit, the police, because like I said, going in and the man them have a one gun, a revolver, you kill the man like that, you kill 3 people, you kill a young lady with she's pregnant, and it just seems like nothing come out of it. We haven't heard anything from the police commissioner or anything like that, so it just seems real crazy. Beyond that, I am warning them idiot gangster here. You can't have no one little small baby gun, and when police come, you want war with police. You understand? A soldier. Dust Boss seemed like he was a bottom feeder gangster, a low level gangster, and seemed like, I am not gonna say, it just seemed like he had a kind of mental problem. And in this case, he was definitely set up, or the neighborhood was set up, and the police them was doing a blanket search of the apartment complex, you know. They were targeting certain people. His name was on a warrant, and it was an intelligence-led operation according to the police. But yeah, I don't like this one right here. Kinda crazy. And let's focus on the police then, and the gang unit, and see what's going on. And it really sad that youth are losing life like that. I got the graphic videos then, but I am not gonna show them. So with that said, let me know if you love this video. I am not taking out that mistake. Let me know if you like and love this video. Leave your comments, and my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.